Hello, welcome to ParsiCuisine.com. Today we are going to talk about Parsi vessels used for cooking Parsi cuisine. These vessels are from the 18th century from Gujarat, India, mostly Gujarat. They were distributed all over the Indian country. People in Mumbai use them as well. Each vessel has a different purpose for cooking. This particular one is a patio used to make all kinds of gravies, curries, and if you notice, it is a copper bottom patio. This one is a small one, this one is a large one. This copper bottom is very noticeable. It is quite heavy. Lifting it, this is probably about 20 pounds, and you can see the copper bottom from there. It usually is coated with a silver kallai, which is made of certain alloys of metal, and they heat to a very large degree, so these can go on top of stoves, the old kerosene stoves in India, and food is cooked in plenty out. In the old days, these were the main utensils used. If I take a stick and do this, you can see how well it is made. The rim, they are very solid. These are about 100 years old, and they are still as good as they were made, except for the kallai, which has worn off. This particular one is made for cooking liquids like dals, lentils, soups, huge amounts of rice, which would be put in there, and you can take the rice all the way to here. It would come up, and you also can make excellent biryanis in this. What people used to do is put a lid on top and then put coals on top of the patio, so that the coals would provide the heat from the top. The heat from the bottom would go there. This is a very large, deep patio. This is a shallow patio for curries. This particular one is called a langri. The langri is much flat, in fact very flat at the bottom, and it's also thick bottom. All of these have thick bottoms, but this one has a particularly thick bottom. And this one is made for using as an oven, literally as an oven, because in the old days there were no ovens. Again, the lid is put on top and coals on top. Okay, so you can bake custards, meats, all kinds of roasted things, basically as an oven. And when you make a custard, it just comes out very nice and brown, and all the caramel effect can be achieved. Very nice. It's called a langri. This is a teeny weeny patio made for making egg dishes. It's just about 7 inches in diameter and made for making little breakfast like akuri, scrambled eggs. I would say about four eggs max in this vessel. Again, it's not been coated with that special alloy, which is called kallai. So you cannot cook in this particular one. Please, if you have some of these lying around your house, do not use them without the kallai, because you can get toxic poisoning. These are made from copper, and they do need a coating to get cooking in there. This particular one is not used for cooking. It's just used for heating up hot water, for having baths. In the old days, there was no electricity. All you had was wood burning, and you put it on top of the wood burning stove, or a wood burning literally a fire. Again, it's a large one with a bottom. This is German silver, and this is when the British were there in India. So if I put it upside down, and you can see there is a British logo on top of it. There we go. It says German silver. Some of them also say made in Germany. This particular one says Navsari. Quality German silver Navsari. And there's a number to each piece. This is German silver and it's made in India. So there you have it.